Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Story: The Snake Charmer Prayer. Hezo. Ili afe okur en mejsi Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà. Àwà Àwà Nàbùrùkù. Leke inka bururu erpaga. Àwà asenisi. Erder arare niomode Àwà Nàbùrùkù tiku. Olófin dara yire fagbara. Kani lodafun Olófin. Kaferfun Ifa. Suyere. Chant. Asenise buruku arare ni Òrúnmìlà. Story: There were two brothers. One was named Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà, a Babaláwo, diviner of Òrúnmìlà, and the other was Àwà Nàbùrùkù, a farmer and sorcerer. Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà lived on the outskirts of the city, and each day, using his spiritual knowledge, performed daily osode divination for Olófin. As Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà walked through the village streets, the children would gather around him, singing and greeting him lovingly. He always carried a sack over his shoulder filled with plenty of food, ekrú, obi, and kola nuts, which he distributed to the children. This was his daily routine, as he was Olófin's trusted spiritual advisor. His brother, Àwà Nàbùrùkù, was deeply envious of this. Consumed by hatred, he decided to kill him. Having no other means, he resorted to treachery. Being a farmer and a skilled snake charmer, an art he had learned from the Òrúnmìlà, he devised a plan. He promised his brother a delicious ekrú, using this opportunity to hide a small deadly snake called paramale inside. That morning, before leaving for Olófin's house, Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà had a strange dream. He performed osode at home, and this odu appeared, where Ifa advised him to make a bow with everything he was taking for the journey. So he took everything in the sack, including the ekrú, used them for the ebo, returned them to the sack, and headed to Olófin's house. Meanwhile, Àwà Nàbùrùkù, his wife and children were working in the fields. The children were eagerly waiting for Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà to return so they could receive their treats. When he arrived, they rushed to him, asking what goodies he brought. He opened the sack and began distributing everything, including the ekrú given to him by his brother. As the children unwrapped the food packages, snakes jumped out and bit Àwà Nàbùrùkù's children on their necks. They went into violent convulsions and fell dead on the ground. Àwà Nàbùrùkù and his wife returned from the field. Hearing the screams, they ran over and found their 3 children dead. Àwà Nàbùrùkù went straight to Olófin to accuse Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà of murdering his children. Olófin immediately summoned the Babaláwo and asked, "Is it true that you killed your nephews?" The Babaláwo replied, "You know me very well, and you know I've never killed anyone. Ask him, he gave me the ekrú with the snakes hidden inside." Àwà Nàbùrùkù could not respond. Olófin raised his scepter, his rod of authority, and beat the truth out of him. Àwà Dàngábẹ Òdàrà then said to Olófin, "Father, don't beat him. He already carries within himself the justice and punishment for the harm he intended to do to me. He created his own fate." Note: whatever food is offered to the Awo, he should not eat it. Instead, it must be given to Isu,